Hello guys. Today I'm at this Chase Bank right here. This Chase Bank. Here's a here is a Goodman air conditioner by this Chase Bank. This is a let's see, let me get this one, SSX140601AF, and it's a cool unit. This came out in I'm not sure. Yeah. Energy guide. This is it's got 3 fan blades right here, you can see. Yeah. And a reciprocating compressor. Yeah. And it's got this cage on here, so it's safe. This has great, and it's also got a rusty fan motor. See that down there? And it's got a disconnect box right here. It has got a little pump, little pumper thing right here. And in this one there's a American standard unit you see right here, and there's 2 Bryant legacies. Yeah, those. So stay tuned for the next video, and peace out.